This wig you could get away with melting right here and going out the door. And we all need a rush wig. We need that wig that we can hurry up and get out the door. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we're doing another wig review on this Butta Lace number 13. This video is sponsored by Samsbeauty. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So this video, the structure is going to be a little bit different. I decided to talk it through. For all my beginners out there, I'm going to do a detailed talk through of exactly what I'm doing. Normally I fast forward the install, but this time I'm going to kind of talk it through a little bit for y'all. Comment below if you like that or if you just prefer the music. Either way, just let me know. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button right there. Boom. Let's get started. What's up, y'all? Y'all ready to jump into this? So I'm gonna talk this part through. I know I normally play music, you know, we getting y'all correct and stuff, but I'm gonna just talk it through a little bit because I want y'all to first of all see my face. We gonna appreciate this natural face right now. Anyway, so the wig I'm reviewing today is the Butta Lace 13. This is Flamboyage Mocha. So this wig came out earlier this year, like February, March, but you know, it's fine. It's a Butta Lace, you know. So this is from Sensationnel, and if you're not familiar with Butta Lace, this is kind of like more of a beginner version of the What Lace collection. It's the same makers of the What Lace, so we're gonna just go ahead and start off with that. Check out this lace. You're gonna get a lace that pretty much is supposed to melt into your skin. I'm gonna have to tint that. The reason that you go in and tint your lace is to match it to your skin. You don't want people to see your lace, okay? So I'm definitely gonna go in and tint that. As far as this wig, you're gonna get a standard cap construction. So on most wigs, you're gonna get two combs. You're gonna get one right here, and you're also gonna get one in the back. This is a ventilated cap, which is pretty good because that means that it's gonna be stretchy, it's gonna be airy, and you can scratch your scalp if you need to. Also, this is just a regular lace part wig. So this is good for my beginners that aren't comfortable with the lace frontal wigs and, you know, all that parting space. It's good for the beginners that just like to put the wigs on and get out the house. So you're not going to get any lace parting with this. So let's go ahead and stop talking real quick. Y'all like this turban? I did a review for this. Check it out right here. I got it off Amazon. These turbans right here, I love these turbans. They're so comfortable. If you don't want to walk around with a bonnet, walk around with a turban. So let's go ahead and put the wig on. So putting the wig on, I like the way she fits. She fits pretty good. So I've reviewed a lot of Butta Lace units before. I think at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and set y'all up a playlist. Sensationnel has like a whole bunch of Butta Lace units. This is 13, but I think I reviewed like up to 17 or something like that. But they have a whole bunch. So definitely check out that playlist right here. But as far as the hairline goes, this is what the hairline is looking like. I wish the hairline was a little bit more not so straight. The reason we go in and we tend to pluck these hairlines is to get it looking more realistic. I used to look back in my old videos and I never used to pluck a hairline and it looked like you had a wig on. So no judgment to you if you're not comfortable. You don't need to pluck the hairline. There's tracks starting right here, so you're only going to get about this much to pluck. See, this is where the tracks start and this is kind of what you have to play with. Some people are just like, what's the point? I'm just put the wig on, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck right here just to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic when it melts to my skin. Let's get plucking. So it's good to have some clips on hand. Plucking a synthetic wig is a little bit harder than doing it with a human hair wig, so I'm actually gonna go in with a little bit of water. It helps with the plucking. Alright, so I just did a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in and tint my lace. I've been shying away from using my Ebony New York tint lace spray because I feel like it's a little bit too orange for me. I have this old foundation from Juvia's Place that kind of doesn't match my skin, but it used to match my skin, so I've been using this to tint my lace. But some people do still love the Ebony York lace tint spray, so I'm not telling you not to use that, but definitely just use what works best for you. I still have some. Occasionally, girl, I still be going in there and spraying up the lace real quick. Or you can go in with a little bit of powder, but if you do, remember to go in and use some spray on top of it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of this foundation just at the top. I got this little makeup tray, so I feel all fancy. I got it off Amazon, so I'm just gonna put it right here on the tray. I sometimes put it on my hand, but this tray makes me feel more bougie. And I'm just gonna get it real sheer. Okay, then I'm gonna go in on the lace, and I'm getting it to match to my complexion. You don't want to put too much. You're basically like putting what's left over on your brush if you did apply your makeup to the lace. Now look at the difference. You see how that's matching my skin a little bit more compared to like this color that doesn't match? So let's go ahead and finish installing this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and play some music and we're gonna wrap this up. So after cutting the lace, I'm going in with a wig grip. This keeps your wig from sliding. I'm gonna go and hold the ear tabs, and I'm going to place the ear tabs over my ears. That's how you know if the wig is on straight. I'm using that comb in the back. I'm not necessarily using the comb in the front. So these two pieces of hair I'm grabbing on the side are just like leverage to help me secure the wig with my bedhead spray. Then I'm gonna go with my bedhead spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the whole perimeter. So I'm kind of spraying in sections here just so it doesn't like run down my face, and then I just go around the whole perimeter and secure it. Then I use my rat tail comb just to kind of press it in more, and I also like to push the hair back as I'm securing it. I'm gonna put this elastic band on to get the maximal melt, and I'll be back when I put my face on. So if I didn't have to apply makeup, this process would only take about 20 minutes max. I like to go in with my contour color and kind of match the lace up a little bit more so you don't have that white halo effect. And then I go in with my Got To Be glue gel just to kind of press in the lace that lifted a little bit. Next, I'm going in with a powder. Use a powder that matches your complexion. This is for the parting space, just to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic so you don't have any grid lines. And then I'm just brushing out the hair a little bit. I like to go in with some synthetic wig spray. This is not human hair, so this definitely helps with moisturizing those synthetic fibers. So baby hairs are definitely optional, but I do like it for this style. So next I'm just going in with my hot comb just to kind of smooth out the wig a bit. Don't go too high because this is a synthetic wig, and that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so I'm finished putting on this wig and she is so cute. I feel like this wig is really easy for beginners. I just went in with, as you saw, with my bedhead spray. I also did not go in and secure all the way down, but pretty much I did. I don't know what I thought I was doing. I stopped like right here. Why did I do that? But I just went in with the bedhead spray, and the bedhead spray reminded me why I love this spray. I didn't get a lot of cakiness. This wig is really secure. It's melted. If you do want to go in and do your ear tabs, because that's all I did, is I pretty much like didn't do the ear tabs. I do recommend going in with a little bit of Got To Be gel on the side if you're going to secure it like that, because the ear tabs get a little bit tricky sometimes. This wig you could get away with melting right here and going out the door. And we all need a rush wig. We need that wig that we can hurry up and get out the door. I did go in with a little bit of Got To Be glue gel just for the lace to melt it in a little bit. I feel like with the Butta Lace collection, sometimes the lace kind of rolls up a little bit, but if you put like a little bit of Got To Be glue gel on the edge of a rat tail comb like I did, it melted in. I learned that trick from I Fancy Cupcakes, so shout out to you, girl. As far as the texture goes, it is a little bit more on the silkier side to me, but it's not too silky. It actually feels like it has like a light yaki, and it's a good everyday kind of wig, but it's not like Barbie doll hair, okay? So it's a good texture. I think, in my opinion, it doesn't feel too plasticky. It feels like a human hair wig. I did have to go in with a little bit of my synthetic wig spray. I just feel like I am running my fingers through this unit really comfortably, but again, it is synthetic, so I am getting a little bit of snags, but it's nothing that if you're not used to with synthetic wigs, it's fine. The cap, to me, it's actually it's comfortable. You know, I wish it was a little bit bigger, but I do notice that these wigs kind of stretch out over time, and especially with the way this cap is ventilated, it's definitely going to stretch. I wish that it had a little bit more layers in here. I'll probably go in after this review and kind of layer it a little bit and frame it to my face, but I wanted you guys to see how it looks out the pack, and she's looking good. She's looking good. I'm feeling really good in this wig. I do like the knots on this wig. I feel like it's really thin in the front. The Butta Lace unit has like really, really good knots and hairlines. I did go in and tweeze it a little bit, but it's still looking a little dense to me, so I kind of feel like that was a little pointless, but you know, it is what it is. And also, I did go in with my hot comb, which that kind of was unnecessary too. It's not real humps in here. It's actually pretty flat. So going in with the hot comb, I was just trying to get that effect, you know, that hump effect, but I feel like it kind of melted the wig a little bit. I was debating on going in with baby hairs. I don't feel like you need baby hairs with this wig. I just went in with like one big swoop right here, and that's pretty much it. A little bit of powder in the parting space, and you will be okay. The curls on this wig though were a little bit funky. That was just the only issue. It's like it's just one big roll of a curl, so all the curls are going this way. So on this side, I was like really tempted to like flip it back so you can see this nice flamboyage goodness going on over here, but because of the way the curls are flowing, you don't really see it, so you kind of have to you know, but that's fine. It's not a big deal, but I just wish they would be more considerate with the curls when making these wigs. And the flamboyage color is a little bit underneath, so you do have to kind of keep going like this to pop it out. Okay, but it's okay. We could just randomly pop it out. You know, in the middle of a conversation, you just put behind your ear, you just pop it out. There are a lot of other pretty colors in here. You got a lot of nice balayage colors, and then it looks like you just have a couple TT colors. I didn't think I would like this wig because it's kind of basic. It's really simple, but it's really cute. I don't know if it's just the color, but it's a good like everyday wig. I feel like this wig would kill in a natural color. These balayage colors are some good blends. If y'all haven't tried a color, y'all need to try a color. Get out your shell a little bit and go ahead and try a color. And on a synthetic wig, I mean, you can't beat that. This wig is about $38. I think it's so worth it. I think it is absolutely worth it. This is one of those wigs that I'll probably go back and buy again. And y'all know how I feel. I don't really like to buy the same wig twice, but this wig, I would actually buy this wig again. Somebody did ask me if there's a Butta Lace that's shorter, and this is good. This is a shorter length, gonna hold up for a while because it is shorter. It's not too long, it's not too short, and it's just a good everyday wig. If you get some color, you'll look like this. So the color is really hitting on this one. I recommend Butta Lace wigs. I think if you see the name Butta Lace, get that Butta Lace. In the beginning, I was skeptical with Butta Lace because I don't know what was going on with the textures and all of that. Like, I think it was like 1 and 2 were kind of iffy, but ever since then, they've been hitting, y'all. They have definitely been hitting. Check out my playlist right here for Butta Lace, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But I think any Butta Lace unit that you would get is gonna be butter. It's gonna be fire. I recommend this wig. Shout out again to Samsbeauty for sending over this unit. I really do appreciate it. Y'all definitely comment below if you have this wig already, or would you rock this wig? You know, let me know. Drop me some comments. Talk to a girl, okay? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.
1 hour later.
So this is just some bonus footage. After I was wearing this wig, I realized she'll be super cute if I put some layers in it. So I'm going in with my thin-end shears, and I started off at the tip because I wasn't sure how much hair would come off, and then I went slowly midway up the wig once I realized like how much hair was coming off with the shears. But yeah, you see how much is coming off. So I just recommend going up like midway, not all the way up, but definitely do what works for you. But I was trying to get that color to pop out more because this Flamboyage Mocha color is beautiful, but you weren't seeing it. But do you see it now? Okay, so now this blonde is really popping out, and it's not hiding underneath all of that brown color. So that's basically what I was trying to do. I was trying to make the highlights pop out more, and I think going in with some layers definitely will make this wig look a little bit better. Bye.